Hello, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to solve this problem to find the x value. Solution: square root of x plus x equal to 12. Now square root of x equal to 12. We are moving this x right hand side minus x. Now we are going to take square on both sides. So square root of x square equal to 12 minus x whole square. Now this square and square root will cancel each other. We have x equal to 12 minus x whole square. Now we know this algebra formula, which is a minus b whole square equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. This formula we are going to apply here. So we'll get x equal to 12 square plus x square minus 2 times of 12 times of x. Now x equal to 12 times of 12 is 144 plus x square minus 2 times of 12 is 24x. Now bringing this one side, so x square minus 24x plus 144. We are moving this right hand side minus x equal to 0. So we'll get x square minus 24 minus this 1 is 25x plus 144 equal to 0. Now we are going to find this 144. How we can spread 144 to here, 72, this 2, 36 to 18 to 9, 3 times of 3. So this can be written as 2 power 4 times of 3 power 2, which means 16 times of 9. 144 can be written as 16 times of 9. Now x square minus 25x plus 144 equal to 0. Now this 25 can be written as 16 plus 9. So x square, since it is minus 16x minus 9x plus 144 equal to 0. Now we are going to take from this x common. So x open bracket x minus 16 close bracket. 9 minus 9 common, so minus 9 open bracket x minus 9 times of 16 is 144, so 16 close bracket equal to 0. Now here we are going to take x minus 16 common. Here it is, so x minus 16 open bracket this x minus 9 equal to 0. Now we have two equations. One is x minus 16 equal to 0. Another one is x minus 9 equal to 0. Here x equal to 16. This is the one solution. X equal to 9. Let us verify this. Let Verify. In square root of x plus x equal to 12, substitute x equal to 16. Now 16 in square root plus 16 equal to 12. 16 square root is 4 plus 16 equal to 12. 4 plus 16 is 20, is not equal to 12. So we are rejecting this. Rejected. Substituting x equal to 9 in this equation. Square root of x plus x equal to 12. Square root of 9 plus 9 equal to 12. Here square root of 9 is 3 plus 9 equal to 12. Now 3 plus 9 is 12 equal to 12. So the answer here is x equal to 9 for this equation. Thanks for watching this video.